Today we are going to learn about enterprise software. So enterprise is nothing but any organization which will be using software. So these softwares are actually classified into two types. One is the cloud computing based, second one is the enterprise or cloud ERP. And ERP means enterprise resource planning, okay, software. So first, if we will see the cloud computing based, okay. So here which is used for accessing of the software applications. See, cloud-based enterprise softwares are of two types. One is a cloud-based computing, second one is a cloud ERP. So we will see the first cloud-based computing. The cloud-based computing softwares are used to access the software applications over the internet, and this ERP is used to access the enterprise resource planning software over the internet. Means this is used to access software applications and this is used to access the ERP software. And this cloud-based computing is going to use a SaaS model, software as a service. Okay, so this is used to access the applications like Gmail, Office, and Google Docs. And coming to the ERP, it is going to use the on-premise model. So the difference between these service models is, see, if you see the software as a service, application, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, server, storage, network, everything has to be managed by the provider, cloud provider. But coming to the on-premise, this is on-premise. If you see this one, as everything has to be managed by you. Means one is managed completely, you have to look over all these things. One is completely look over by the provider. So there is a lot of variation between these two. So coming to the benefits of cloud ERP. So pay per use basis, you can use the resources, the first point. Second point is no installation is required, cloud provider will do everything for us. Okay, next one is adjustment of resources. Means user want to add resources dynamically, he can add the resources, he can remove the resources dynamically, and automatic backup and recovery will be taken place in the cloud. And intruder detection systems will be there, which will detect the intruders and stop the intruders. And you are going to have the remote desktop facility. What we have learned means, so enterprise software is of two types. One is the cloud-based computing, second one is the enterprise or cloud ERP. So the first one is used to access software applications. Second one is used to access the resource planning software. Second point is the cloud-based computing uses service model SaaS, and on-premise uses enterprise uses on-premise. So if you take the SaaS means everything will be managed by the provider, cloud provider. Here everything has to be managed by you. And coming to this, SaaS is much better than on-premise. Why? Because on-premise means everything you only have to take care of all these things, but here the provider will take care of all these things. So we have completed the topic enterprise software. Thank you friends for listening.